First of all, I would like to welcome Hammad Safi, the
Nana
professor
Yeah.
to the Chinese embassy. I'm very happy to have you all here, and I would like to say that you are most welcome to the Chinese embassy, and you are most welcome to visit China. We'll try to manage your visit within this year.
Thank you so much.
And I think China and Pakistan have the best relationship in the world,
They're brothers.
and we are friends, brothers, and we Chinese have a soft corner for Pakistanis, and we hope that with efforts made by people like you, and also the youth from China, we can further promote China-Pakistan relationship and to pass on this friendship from generation to generation. So I think we together we can do many things. Nowadays, China is after this 40 years of fast economic growth. Now China is we have more resources to help Pakistan, and but now we are not a superpower. We still see that China is a developing country, but within our capability, we would like to help our Pakistani friends and brothers to achieve higher rate of economic growth. So both China and Pakistan are developing countries, and we should focus on economic development so that we can also become richer. We can also become developed countries as soon as possible. Thank you.